In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inactivate customers in QuickBooks. If your customer list has grown over time, making certain customers inactive is a simple way to keep things tidy without losing any historical data. Inactivating a customer won't delete past transactions. It just removes that customer from your active lists so you can focus on the accounts you actually work with day to day. Start on the left sidebar of your QuickBooks screen. Click All Apps, then open Customer Hub, and then select Customers. This takes you to the main place where you manage your customer list. At the top, you'll notice a search bar. This is handy when your list is long or when you're unsure of the exact spelling. Type a few letters of the customer's name or company to narrow the results and make sure you're acting on the correct record. When you find the customer you want to inactivate, look to the right side of that row for a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and choose Make Inactive. That's all it takes for a single customer. This change keeps your records intact, but the customer won't appear in everyday selections for new transactions, which helps streamline your workflow and reduce mistakes. If you need to inactivate multiple customers at once, you can do that from the same customer screen. On the left side of each customer row, you'll see a checkbox. Click the checkboxes for every customer you want to inactivate. Take a moment to review your selections so you don't hide anyone you still actively bill. Once you've selected the right customers, look for the Batch Actions drop-down. Open it and choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will apply that change to all the selected customers in one go, saving you time and clicks. A quick tip as you work through this: inactivating is best for customers you no longer serve or don't expect to bill again soon. It helps keep reports and lists clean while maintaining a complete audit trail. If you're unsure about a customer, use the search bar to confirm details before making changes, and always double-check the names you've selected in a batch to avoid extra cleanup later. That's it. By using the Customers page, the search bar, the right side drop-down for single records, and the Batch Actions drop-down for groups, you can keep your customer list organized and focused on the clients you actively work with.